The financial world is more complex than ever. The fact is, as your wealth increases, so does the time and effort it takes to manage it. So you turn to the financial specialists for advice on the issues that revolve around you and the financial issues they help you manage. Since most advisors offer services independent of each other, it's up to you to sort out all their ideas and recommendations. As your wealth grows, life doesn't get simpler, it gets more complicated. Our wealth management solution can help bring order into your financial world, so you can focus your attention where it matters most. The system is designed to give you a consolidated view of your accounts, your important documents, your assets, and your advisor's contact information in one secure location. We provide you with a personal financial website, so you can view everything about your financial and estate planning in one place, either on your desktop or from your mobile device. Every night, your balances will be automatically updated. Changes in your assets and changes in your life will be tracked against your overall asset allocation, retirement and cash flow models, insurance program, and your financial and estate plan. Your updated assets are integrated into reports so that you can monitor your progress against your overall financial objectives. Our wealth management solution also provides a secure online storage vault for your private documents like wills, trusts, tax returns, deeds to your house, insurance policies, and beneficiary designations. Here you can even store photos and videos and other precious memorabilia. Of course, all the information is password protected in a secure, encrypted personal web address, backed with the latest internet security technology available. Your top holdings are easily accessible. You can even view your awards program's results, giving you one single access point for all your important financial details. Alerts automatically notify your advisor of a problem or an opportunity, like your asset allocation being out of balance or a significant change in your account values. Your online access allows you and your advisor to collaborate on any areas of concern. As your financial estate grows in both size and sophistication, our wealth management solution can become your single access point to consolidate and track your financial data in one secure location. You're just a click away from everything you need, all in one place, whenever you want it, from wherever you are.